Here we are again, day 3 of our Photoshop training bootcamp. My name is Kwiku. Today, we will talk about brightening an image. One of the most common edits you are likely to make is to brighten an image taken with a digital camera or phone. Download the working file from the link provided in the description below. You should get a zip file. Locate the downloaded file. Open and extract to the desktop. Double-click on the file to open in Adobe Photoshop. Or if your Photoshop application is already running, then choose File and Open. Now navigate to the desktop and select the file. Press Enter. The file opens in a new window. You will brighten this image by changing its brightness and contrast values. In the Layers panel, on the right side of the workspace, make sure the ELITech layer is selected. In the Adjustment panel, which is above the Layers panel in the panel dock, click the Brightness and Contrast icon to add a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. The Properties panel opens, displaying the brightness and contrast settings. In the Properties panel, move the brightness slider to 70. And the contrast slider to 16. See the change now. In these lessons, we will often instruct you to enter specific numbers in panels and dialog boxes to achieve particular effects. When you are working on your own project, experiment with different values to see how they affect your image. There is no right or wrong setting. The values you should use depend on the results you want. In the Layers panel, click the eye icon for the brightness and contrast adjustment layer to hide its effect. And then click the eye icon again to show the effect. Adjustment layers let you make changes to your image, such as adjusting the brightness of the ELITech layer without affecting the actual pixels. Because you have used an adjustment layer, you can always disable the edit by hiding or deleting the adjustment layer. And you can edit the adjustment layer at any time. We will use adjustment layers in several of lessons in these tutorials. Layering is one of the fundamental and most powerful features in Photoshop. Photoshop includes many kinds of layers, some of which contain images, text, or solid colors, and others that simply interact with layers below them. You will learn more about layers in these lessons and throughout our Photoshop tutorials. Double-click the Properties panel tab to collapse it. Choose File, Save As. Name the file as 01 Project. And click OK or Save. Then click OK in the Photoshop Format Options dialog box. Saving the file with a different name ensures that the original file remains unchanged. That way you can return to it if you want to start over. You have just completed your first task in Photoshop. Your image is bright and punchy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.